In this video, I will show you how to change the username on the WordPress single-site installation. And for the purpose of this example, we'll be using this plugin called Easy Username Updater. And also, before proceeding with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your website. Once that's done, log into your WordPress admin account, and then hover on Plugins, click on Add New Plugin, and then in search, just type Easy Username Updater. Locate the specific plugin, go ahead and install and activate it. Then let's click on Refresh Now. Once the plugin is installed, hover on Users, and then click on Username Updater. Then locate the username that you wish to change, as in my case is this one, Nicholas. Let's click on Update. Let's create a new username. Let's call it Nick. Now let's click Update Username. It should be updated. Let's go back. Yeah, it's reflected right here. In fact, if I click on all users, it's going to be displayed right here too. Now I can log out from my admin account. And let's try logging with the old username. Nicholas. Yeah, I cannot log in with the old username. Let's try with the new one, Nick. Yeah, it works just fine. And of course, you can see the change reflected right in here. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip helpful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.